Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming essentials, then act fast. Make sure you're enrolled in the beta and signed into the same Google account. This prevents profile mismatches. Next, verify Android and storage. Keep at least 500 MB free so installs don't fail. Once done, restart the device, go to Settings, force stop Google Play Games, and clear cache. Then toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data. This refreshes network tokens and often resolves initial authorization errors immediately. Now you'll tackle the harder middle steps to isolate the problem. If clearing cache failed, reset app data for Play Games. Your cloud saves usually protect progress, but double-check sync first. Then update Google Play Services and Play Store, or reinstall them to fix mismatched APIs that break beta builds. If the issue persists, capture a dblogcat or the error code shown, reproduce the failure while logging. This gives concrete clues for the next step and makes reporting concise when you need help. Finish by reverting to a stable state, then reintroducing changes. If nothing else worked, uninstall Play Games updates or opt out of the beta to roll back to the stable release. Make sure to sign in and let cloud data resync. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort after backing everything up. If problems remain, report the bug, attach logs, device model, Android build, and exact reproduction steps. This one troubleshooting tip speeds fixes and helps developers patch the beta quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.